Hi everyone, I'm Nora from Sinopulse House Company. Sinopulse is a company can offer one-stop hydraulic service. We have our own factories. Our houses have been sold about 80 countries, such as Europe, Middle East, Australia, Singapore, Russia, and so on. So you can believe our products, and we also have high-level service for you. You can get 100% care after buying our products. We export hydraulic hose, industrial hose, PVC hose, um, adapters, fittings, and house machine, all kinds of hydraulic products. Today, I with my partner will introduce hydraulic hose firstly and show our samples and technique specifications for us for you. In about hydraulic hose, we have different standards including 1SN, 2SN, R180, R280, 4SP, 4SH, R12, R15, R13, and I will choose some samples to show the host specifications and other details. If you have any question about size, pressure, MOQ, please leave comments below. Okay, let me partner begin.
Hello, I'm Jenny. Okay, now let me choose one sample. Look at this one. This is a hydraulic hose. This is our brand Sinopulse and EN 88531SN. And the size is 4 and 1 and 4 inch. And this is the working plier. 1SN and R1, 1C, R16, R17, R5. These hose structures are same. It's with one wire reinforced. We sell our customers with our hose brand, and we also produce the hoses with customers' brands. We also provide the hose line design service.
Okay, I will show you the hydraulic hose 2SN. The digger is about 8 mm and it has two stair rail braided to respondent. The size is about 5 16 inch and working pressure is 3015 bar. It also have Marshall certificates. You can see Marshall certificates. About 1SN to SN, we have smooth surface and rough surface. The size about 1 inch below, you can choose rough surface and smooth surface. Up to 1 inch, you can choose rough surface. The house layline, you could see the different designs with different brand colors. We can make our brand, and if you have your brand logo, you can send us, and we will print it on them.
Okay, look at this sample. This is R50. You can see the hose is referenced with this wheels very referenced. And this is our 15. This house is with high work pressure. This sample is 1 and 1 inch. The working pressure can reach into 500 bar. This is a short sample.
Okay, let me show you the EN8564 SP. The size about 1/4 inch. DN is about 6 mm. The working pressure is 45 MPa. To 6,525 psi. It also have mature certificates. The force speed has 4 steel wheel spiral ring, and you can see this is wet surface. The sample is 1/4 inch. The working pressure and moisture, you can see them. These two standard houses are both reinforced with 4 steel wheel spiral reinforcements. Hydraulic house 4 SP, working pressure and moisture certificate.
And we also produce the hydraulic hose and the produce such like the R3, R6, and the R5. And I will just have a brief introduction houses because for hydraulic houses, most customers they buy a large quantity for 1SN, 2SN, R2, and R1. 4SP, 4SH. Okay, I will choose a simple for the R3, R6, or R5. And look at this one. This one is R6 and is 1 inch. And the standard is EN 854 for the R6 1 inch and the working pressure. Such customers they use the R3 or 6 for the multi-purpose rubber hoses. That means this hose is not only we use for the oil, but also could use for the air and the water. This is R6 and R3. This hoses, the working pressure is a little higher than the normal industrial rubber hose. Like the working pressure 250 psi. Rubber air hose, rubber water hose, rubber oil hose. This is the R3 and R6.
And for the hydraulic hoses 1SN, 2SN, we produce the size from 1/4 inch to 2 inch. For small size, 1/4, 5, 16 inch, 3/8 inch, 5/8 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. This small size, the hoses we produce after house manual. Soft house manual is PP house manual. We also produce the house with one soft house manual. The length for one piece is 100 meters and 50 meters. We can make 150 50 meters one row. If you so this package for the small size, the standard length package is 100 meters or 50 meters one package. Our customers could stop the length. If one package, the length is between 105 or 95 meters, of customers, you can could accept two sides of the length. The price will be a little lower than the standard length. For the bigger size, 1. uh, 1/1 inch, 1.1 inch, 2 inch. The three bigger size, we produce the house with the hard steel house mantle. The package is 20 meters or 40 meters. So we just you to use 20 meters because the one package is too heavy. We have the house with 40 meters. The one package is very heavy. It's not very convenient for the customer to move the houses.
Okay, let me show you with the R14. Look at this. This is also called the Teflon. The inner tube is the nylon tube with the stainless steel knit, and the outer Teflon house is smooth core tube with stainless braided. This one is the smooth tube, different inside tube, and both with the stainless steel were very knit. And for the Teflon hose, we produce the hose with different thickness. If some customers they need the thinner wall, and we could produce the wall thickness according to the customer's request. For the thin wall thickness, the price will lower than the thick wall thickness. For example, for the 1 and 1/4 inch Teflon hose, we produce one wall with thickness, and we also could produce 0.75 for these sizes. If customers need different thickness, we could produce as customers' requirements. Okay, this is the Teflon or 14 houses.
After introducing these houses, I will tell the factory label test. Before the production, we will test the material, the rubber, the steelware. We will test the rubber, the hardness, the adhesive, and the steelware. We make our material test before production. Only the material passed the test and the laboratory signature, so the material can put into the production. After the harness finished the production, we will test every inch outer of the hoses and cut some pieces of the every hose and test the if the pieces have the defensive point or some leakage, we will let straight to the market. Only the pieces were perfect or no defensive point, no leakage. So we will sell products to sell. So we must let our customers be safe and will trust our product. So that is a hydraulic hose.
Okay, now let's look at one electric hose simple. This is 8531 and it is 1 and 4 inch. The working pressure is also on the house line. The house is reinforced with one wire barricade. You can see this. 1SN and R1, 1SC are 16 or 17 and R5. These house structures are same is with one wire reinforced. We show the house brand and its specification on the house line. It's in there. It's on there. We sell our customer with our own brand Sinopulse, and we also produce the house with the customer's brand. And we also provide the service to design the house line.
If you have any questions, please write down the comment and send us. The common house, the working temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius to 100 degree, and we also have the special house. Well, its temperature can reach minus 55 degrees Celsius. It can use for Russia some cold area. Look at this sample. It's DINEN 8572SC. The size is 5/16 inch, and the working pressure is 350 bar. It have high working working pressure. It can meet your needs. It's special one house.
Okay, next let me show you one simple with two word reference. Look at this. This is hydraulic house EN853 with 2 ISN, and it is 5 and 16 inch. Our Sinopulse house factory have our own measure certificate. We also could show our measure certificate numbers on the house line. Look at this. This is our measure number. You can take the measure certificate from the official website. The house line could be with a different design, with different brand ground color. This is blue. This 2S and this house is referenced with two words referenced. 2S are second and second 2SD are 70. These three different standard houses are referenced with two word brand layers. Okay, this is the two-wheel hydraulic house 2SN.
Okay, let me introduce for SP. You can see it's wrapped surface. It's about EN, the standards EN856 for SP. The size is 1/4 inch. The working pressure is 45 MPa, 2,525 PSI. It also has a measure certificate. Look at this layer reinforcement. It has 4 steel wire spiral layers. It can reach high pressure. And we have the Black surface you can choose. Black wrapped surface you can choose. Uh, if you have any question about the details, the temperature, the pressure, the anything you are questioned, you can ask us and write the comments below. We can reach write the details, and our sales will recommend the suitable courses for you.
Okay, let's look at this sample. This is the R14, also called the Teflon. The inner top is nylon top and with a stainless steel knit. And the other top hose this top hose is with a smooth core, and other is we also have the current gritted top. They are different inside. And for total house, we produce with house with a different thickness. If some customers markets they need the thinner Teflon house, we can also produce it. We produce our product with according with the customer's need, and and we also um, and we also could produce as the customer's request.
Expect the other hydraulic hoses. We also had the high pressure jet washing hose. You can see this color is blue. You can you can choose what color you want. The jet washing color, the jet washing hose with high pressure. The size is 16 inch, and the working pressure is 315 bar, 5075 psi. You can choose you want blue or orange or black color you want, and choose the smooth or the rough surface. If you want to buy high pressure jet washing hose, you might notice the working pressure, the temperature, and also the uh, temperature must is the first thing that must you might the first thing you might notice. We can order the temperature you want, and look at the reinforcement. It's about steel wire braided.
Okay, let's look at this sample. This is the ISAE 100 R6. We produce the hydraulic hose not only R3 but also with R6. They are both the where the referenced. I will just have a briefly introduction this hose because for hydraulic hose, most customers they buy larger quantity for 1 2 or 1, 4SP, 4SH. And so look at and this is our new. The standard is EN 854 and the working power is 1 ampere. This is 1 inch. For this one, some customers they use the R3 or 6 for the multi-purpose rubber hoses. That means this hoses is not only we use for the oil, but could also for the use of delivery the water or the air. And this is the R6 and R3. Horse working pressure is also a little higher than the normal industry rubber horse.
Look at this sample. It's about EN8532SN RYT. I have the standards in this sample is rough surface, and you can choose smooth surface. The smooth surface, you can the size about smooth surface from 1/4 to 1 inch. You can choose smooth, and smooth or rough surface about bigger size. You can choose the round surface. The MOQ about YSN to SN is to 500 meters to 1,000 meters. The 2SN is stereo braided. The working pressure is to 27.6 MPa, and this is Marshall certificate in the ley line. You can see this surface, the reinforcement.
Okay, now please look at this sample. This is our brand Sinopulse, and this is a standard EN853. It's called 1SN. And our marshal number is on this. Its working pressure is also on the surface of this line. You can see this horse, the reference is with one word branded. The same, just like this, we also have RE, YSD, R16, R17, and R5. This horse structure are same, is with one word referenced. We produce the horse with our brand for the customers, but we could also provide the customer with their brand and provide our brand design service for them.
Except the hydraulic hose, we also have the industrial rubber hose. Before that, I will have a short introduction of industrial rubber hose, and we produce industrial rubber hose with size 1/5 to 1 inch. This small size 1/4 or 3/4, 5/16, 5/8, 1 inch. This small size, and we produce a hose with different two types. One is smooth cover. Look at this sample is smooth cover, and the other one is rugged cover. The both hoses are 10 or 20 bar yearly. For the small size rubber air hose, rubber water hose, rubber oil hose with twin veiling hose, flue hose, and oxygen hoses. There are small size. We produce the hose with 100 meter one package. The hose cover two different types. The smooth cover, the coarse wrapped. If you want a suction or discharge hose, it also has a corrected surface. Both are 20 bar working pressure. Rubber air water hose. This sample is rubber air water house. The inner Dimension is 13 mm. The working pressure is 20 bar, 300 psi. It's smooth surface and it's about thread reinforcements.
Okay, let's look at this sample. This is the 2SN. The standard is EN853, and it is the 16-inch. The working power is 315 bar. And we also have the Marshall numbers. We printed it on our house surface. Looking at the reference of it, it has the two steel wheel referenced. For the hydraulic hose for 1SN, 2SN, we produce the size from 1/4 inch to 2 inch. For the small size, 1 4, 5 and 16 inch, 3/8 inch, 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. This small size hose will produce soft hose material. Soft hose material is PP hose and material. We produce a hose with one soft hose manual. The length for one piece is 115 meters. So this package for the small sizes. The standard length package is 100 meters or 15 meters. One package. Our customers could accept the length.
This one is black rubber air hose, 20 bar working pressure, and the cover is smooth one. Smooth rubber air hose with pressure 20 bar. The bursting pressure is 16 bar for the industrial rubber hose. The burst pressure is 3 times the working pressure. 20 bar working pressure and 30 bar burst pressure. The hose must be used under the working pressure. If the hose is used with under higher application pressure, the hose is need to be working with higher pressure. Okay, this is a smooth one. Rubber air hose. For the smooth air rubber hose, water hose, and oil hoses, we produce the hoses with different colors, different out color. It can be different colors like red, blue, yellow, orange, or others. The color you like, you can send the message to us, and we will design it for you.
We are Sinopulse and we produce the hydraulic hose with different standards. And we not only produce the steel-wheeled hydraulic hose, we also provide the steel webbed hydraulic hose, the wheel referenced hose, and the Teflon hose. Now let me show you some simple. Look at these two simple. This one is the 1SN. The standard is EN8, 5, and 3. And the size of it is 1 and 4. The working power also print on the house line. You can see this, the 22.5. We also have the Masha. We also have the Masha numbers, and we also present it on our house line. You can see this number is our Masha number. Look at the reference of this house. It has one steel word referenced, and this is the R second 80, and the standard of this house is the EN 853. The working prayer is the 315 bar, and the Masha number is also on the house line. You can see it. Look at the reference. It has the two steel word referenced, and both of these are all the steel word referenced hydraulic hose.
She told you the steel wheel braided hose, and let me show you the steel wheel spiral hose. Look at this. Logo is orange. If you want your logo or other color, we can design for you or send it to us. The sample is EN856 for SP. The size is 1/4 inch. The inner dimension is 6 mm. The working pressure is 45 MPa. The different size have different working pressure, the different working temperature. According your request, and send it to us, we will recommend the suitable hoses for you.
Okay, let me show you with some world reference hose. We produce world reference the hose for the R6 and the R3. Look at this sample. This is R6. Its standard is SAE 100. The size of this hose is 1 inch, and the working pressure of it is 1.2 MPa. The Masha number is also on the surface of the house's lab. You can see it. The reference is the word reference. The R3 and R6 always used for delivery the water or the liquid, and their working pressure is a little higher than other hydraulic hose.
Look at this having sample. It has 6 reinforced steel wheel reinforcement. The sample is R50. It has a rough surface. You can see the working pressure is 6,091 psi. This is the ley line. You also can see the Masha certificate. Size is bigger. This is a shorter sample with steel wheel spiral R15.
Okay, now please look at this sample. This is the 2SM living standard, but the produce standard is EN853. and the size of this is 5/16 inch. The working wire also printed on the house lamp. You can see it. It is 315 bar, and we produce our product. Our productions all product with its own martial numbers. Look at this. This is this house's martial number. You can see on its surface. Look at the reference. It has two steward referenced. You can see it, right? And we provide our customers with our own brand Sinopulse. We also produce the house with the customer's brand, and we provide the service such as the brand design for the customer.
Look at this house. Is EN8564SP. Size is 1/4 inch. And you can see the working pressure and the working temperature about the ley line. The house I use now is a little size house. It's about the inner dimension is 6 mm and the size is 1/4 inch. You can see the rubber surface and see the reinforcement is still very spiraled. Also, the for SP hose it can reach high pressure. The working pressure in the ley line, you can see the pressure is 45 MPa, 6,525 psi. Look at this house. It is EN8564SP. The size about is 1/4 inch, and the DN is 6 mm. The working pressure is 45 MP and 6,525 psi. It also has mature certificates.
Okay, please look at this sample. This is the 1SN. The produce standard is EN853. The size for this house is 1/4 inch. And the working wire is also on the house's surface. Look at that there. This working wire is 22.5 MPa. And the martial number is also on the house lamp. You can see it's on there. Our production have the martial certification.
我给你们拍几张照片，现在是这样，先关了，你们第一个看镜头，是吧？现在是3个，是吧？3个是吧？看镜头，把产品呢不要挡住自己一点，刚才你都有点挡脸， 然后可以说，你可以说啊，不着急。
说可以不看管子，看着镜头说。
对。哎，对，看镜头说啊。对，你看他的产品，你看镜头 ，OK， 好，说吧，随便就说两个。
The house is rough surface. The working pressure is 45 MPa and the reinforcement.
帮你收一个充电宝，那个充着电的是吧？
没什么。
对。
让我剪，让我剪。
好，
这
那个姑娘，你的头发往这个后边，对，那边也会，你也是，稍微对，那边，对，好 ，OK。
The reinforcement is about steel wire.
你看这儿，你看这个，对，看这个，这我手指去，你看它的产品，好，说吧。
We have different colors with different surface. We have smooth surface,
好
rough surface.
，OK。
Please look at this sample. This is the R14. We also call it tough roll. Its surface is the steel wire, you can see, and the reference and the inner top core is smooth. And we also have the other. It is
哎，正好你俩都来展厅嘛。
一个
对，
一个设备就行，两个人都过来。两个人过去，一个人，两个人都过来，行吗？